Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going into HOMEGOODS to do a little shopping. I'm looking for a little bit of spring decor for an upcoming spring decorate with me, and I haven't been to HOMEGOODS in a really long time, so I thought I would take you guys along with me to do some shopping. So let's go.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, but you got me good.
Okay, so HOMEGOODS was a total bust. They had some Easter decor and a lot of Rae Dunn, but I'm really just trying to do like more spring type stuff, like bright pops of maybe yellow or green. So HOMEGOODS just didn't do it for us. So now we're gonna head over to Marshall's and see if we have better luck over there.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, right? This very finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
Pillows for my fireplace, and I'm stuck in between these two. They're both $20. I think I'm leaning more towards this one because there's more colors I can pull out of it. Okay, so I just found these for a set of 2 for $12, and I think I like these a little more, so I think I'm gonna go with these. Hey y'all, I'm all back from shopping, and I picked up a couple of really good things I think for spring. I thought when I was going out that I was gonna do like pops of yellow, but they honestly just didn't have a whole lot of yellow. And then as I was thinking about it, I've never been like a super bright colored person in my decor, and as I started thinking about it more, I realized I probably wouldn't like that long term. I'd probably like it for like a couple weeks and I'd be over it. So I went a little more neutral. I did a few colors, but they're colors that are like already in my living room. My living room doesn't really have like a theme. It's more like neutral colors, but my walls are Sea Salt by Sherwin-Williams, and then I have a few pops of green in there and some greenies. So when I saw a couple of the things in Marshall's, I knew they would go great. So these are the pillows, and like I said, they're just like a nice muted blue and green, and I really like them. I wanted some pillows to go on my fireplace like I did for Valentine's Day and Christmas. I don't really do a whole ton of pillows on like my couch because really they just end up on the floor in a big mess, but on my fireplace they usually stay there and end up looking nice. So those are gonna go on my fireplace, and I'm really excited about them, especially that they were on clearance. And then the next thing I got was this little sign, and it says "Love Never Fails." And this is just like a washed gray piece of wood, and then "Love Never Fails" is carved into it, and there's some bits of green. And I just thought this would look really nice with this. I thought that was really cute together. So I have this on my fireplace, and then this like on my mantle, and then these on my fireplace, and I thought that would be really cute. And the pillows, like I said, were $12.99. This was $7.99, so not too bad. Pretty cute. And then the next thing I saw, and I put back a couple times, but I ended up picking it up because I just loved it. And it's this little lavender plant, and it's gray and white. And I just thought this was really pretty and nice and muted for spring, like not big yellow flowers or anything like that, but just like a nice muted lavender plant. And this was $7.99, so not too bad and super cute. Hey, Mama. Hi. The next thing I got decor-wise is this little Happy Easter sign. It's blue, it's got a little bunny, and it says Happy Easter in gold, and this was only $3.99. I actually wasn't going to get this, but my daughter saw it and she had to have it, and it does go with the rest of the decor. So and I do have like a little white bunny with gold ears, like the inside of his ears are gold, that I got at Target, so I figured that's a nice, hi. This will complement that little bunny and look super cute on my mantle as well. The last thing I got at Marshall's was just a toy for my dog, and this was $5.99. My daughter had to get a toy for our dog. She couldn't leave without it, and it's a really good price, $5.99 for a dog toy. Okay, so that's everything for the spring haul. It wasn't a ton, but I don't know how much of like spring I'm really gonna incorporate. I may get like a green or a white blanket and then do a couple more touches of white just to really brighten up the space for spring. And I do need a wreath for my front door. So those are a couple things left I have to get, but I hope you guys enjoyed the shop with me / tiny haul. If you like these types of videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would love to have you here. If you are subscribed, don't forget, turn on your notification bell so you never miss when I post a new video. And that's it for today, guys. I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye!